Top 6 Investments for the Future. A Guide to Financial Success. Did you know that half of the US millennial millionaires reside in California? The question that arises is whether they moved to California after becoming millionaires or before. However, the answer becomes clear when we examine the thriving tech industry in Silicon Valley. This region serves as the hub of innovation and startups, attracting young and talented individuals who compete for lucrative jobs in the tech sector. While software engineers can earn a substantial income, it is the stock options provided by companies that often lead to their millionaire status. In this video, we will explore the top 6 investments for the future, focusing on industries that are expected to dominate and provide financial security. Climate tech. As the world moves towards renewable energy sources and combats climate change, the climate tech industry is experiencing significant growth. Just in 2021, climate tech startups have raised a record $32 billion globally. With the decline of the oil industry and the increasing demand for renewable energy, investing in climate tech companies can be a wise decision. This industry is expected to continue expanding, making it a promising investment opportunity. Healthcare. The COVID-19 pandemic highlighted the importance of healthcare and the need for advancements in medical technology. Investing in biotech companies that focus on developing innovative healthcare solutions can be highly profitable. Companies like Moderna, which created the first mRNA vaccine, have seen substantial gains. For a diversified investment in the healthcare sector, consider Vanguard Healthcare ETF, VHT, which holds stocks of prominent biotech companies. Broad market ETFs. While the S&P 500 is often recommended as an investment option, it is not the only ETF available. The US has millions of businesses, and investing in a broad market ETF like VTI allows you to benefit from the entire economy. This ETF aims to replicate the composition of the US equity market, providing a diversified and low-cost portfolio for long-term investments. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Real estate has long been considered a stable investment option. However, managing properties can be time-consuming and challenging. Real estate investment trusts offer an alternative way to invest in real estate without the hassle of property management. By investing in real estate investment trusts, which are traded on the stock market, you indirectly invest in real estate. Consider real estate investment trusts ETFs like VNQ, which invest in multiple real estate investment trusts, providing diversification within the real estate sector. Online education. The internet has revolutionized education, making it accessible to a wider audience. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the shift towards online education, and this industry is expected to continue growing in the coming years. Investing in online education companies or startups in this sector can be a lucrative opportunity. With the potential for virtual reality, VR, and other emerging technologies to transform education further, this industry holds significant potential. Artificial intelligence, AI, and automation. The rapid advancement of AI and automation technologies is reshaping industries worldwide. Investing in companies at the forefront of AI development, robotics, and automation systems can be highly profitable. These technologies enhance productivity, efficiency, and decision-making across various sectors. Companies like NVIDIA Corporation, iRobot Corporation, Intuitive Surgical, and IBM are leading the way in AI and automation. Conclusion. To achieve financial success and secure your future, it is essential to make informed investment decisions. The top 6 investments for the future discussed in this video offer promising opportunities in industries that are expected to dominate and grow. By diversifying your portfolio and investing in climate tech, healthcare, broad market ETFs, real estate investment trusts, online education, and AI and automation, you can position yourself for long-term financial success. Remember to conduct thorough research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.